in writing, and a station diary extract to that effect was given to us saying that the FIR registered against that errant police officer would be transferred to crime branch by 12 noon. So we could not come and meet the crime branch officers earlier than noon because it would have been premature. So afternoon at 3 o'clock, now 3:10, we have entered the crime branch police station. We have met the DYSP, Mr. Hankar. He has informed us that till now FIR has not been received by him. Now who's playing with law? Yesterday they were hesitant to give us the station diary extract or in something in writing saying that they'll transferring it here. They are making us dance now from pillar to post. Till now, in spite of the promise, crime branch has not received the FIR. So you are not in the position to tell us when the FIR is going to come. Simple.
I Monday to come. Next course of action. Detailed investigation.
No. Monday also no.
Whenever you all are transferring us, give us the time. He's saying he's not in the position to tell the time. So we said till the FIR comes, we are continuing our agitation. Because once you receive the FIR, we will press for arrest of the main accused. Now there's a parallel agitation going on at the Azad Maidan. So some of our colleagues are there. So we'll be going there. Once we finish our agitation over there, the entire lot to agitate would be coming here.
Yes. We'll be in
Okay. So we want justice. We don't want to dance from one office to another, search loopholes and keep him safe there. Errant officers should not be safe. We should not be made to dance from one police station to another. That is precisely the reason why we took in writing. We want his arrest by today evening night at any cost.